The 2023 Audi, like its sedan brethren, is dressed in a Brooks Brothers suit. Its design is conservative, it's carefully tailored, and it looks expensive, which it is. It comes across as classy and sporty in equal measure, and that's how it drives luxury balanced by agility. Its turbocharged 4-cylinder engines move it with authority and are fuel efficient. Its standard all-wheel drive and taut suspension tuning offered balanced handling and helpful bad weather grip. The interior is carefully assembled with premium materials and an attention to detail we expect from a premium maker like Audi, but the design could use more flair. Indeed, the same could be said of the somewhat staid exterior styling. Rivals such as the Alfa Romeo Giulia, the Genesis G70, and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class offer more flash or more driver engagement, or both. But the A4 excels at delivering its own brand of quietly expressed quality, making it an equally compelling luxury sedan. All A4 models come standard with LED headlamps for 2023, and the mid-range Premium Plus trim now includes a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. A Black Optics Plus package is now available on 45 models and includes black exhaust tips and a black rear lip spoiler. The available convenience package now includes adaptive cruise control. Chronos Grey and District Green join the palette of available colors. The mid-range Premium Plus trim represents the best cost-benefit ratio in the A4 lineup, as it adds a host of features that make the car an upscale ride. Among them are a reconfigurable digital gauge display, a wireless charging pad, memory settings for the driver's seat, blind spot monitoring, and keyless entry with push-button start. We'd suggest the more powerful 45 powertrain. It makes 60 more horsepower than the 40, and it's a relatively inexpensive $1,600 upgrade. Engine, transmission, and performance. Audi offers the A4 in two strengths, 40 and 45. Both are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with a 12-volt hybrid system and all-wheel drive. The 40 makes 201 horsepower, while the 45 makes a juicy 261. Although we'd love a 6-speed manual, a 7-speed automatic is the only transmission. The well-equipped A445 we drove scooted to 60 miles per hour in a speedy 4.8 seconds, and its automatic quickly and smoothly changed gears. Precise steering, well-controlled body motions, and strong road holding combined to make the A4 a sharp handler. Usually, cars with such deft responses require sacrifices in ride quality, but the A4 manages to soak up bumpy roads with aplomb. Steering feel, so important in a sedan with sporting overtones, is subdued at lower speeds and on the highway. However, almost as if by magic, the steering becomes pleasantly communicative when you push the car on twisty roads. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The A4 sedan is expected up to 25 miles per gallon in the city and 34 on the highway. The model we ran on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, returned 33 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The A4's modern-looking cabin does a good job of balancing form and function with high-quality materials and easily accessible technology features. As in most Audis, the dashboard design is clean and simplistic, a piece of modern art. Most of the A4's buttons and switches are right where you want them to be and feel substantial when you use them. The rear seat is among the most spacious in its class and features nicely shaped cushions. As with many of the sedans in the entry luxury class, the A4 is accommodating but not capacious. Choose the A4 all-road wagon if you need more plentiful cargo space. The A4's back seat does fold in a useful 40-20-40 split, making it easy to accommodate longer items such as skis. We managed to cram 5 carry-on suitcases in the trunk, but were disappointed by the A4's small storage bins and cubbies. Infotainment and connectivity. The A4's infotainment system consists of a 10.1-inch touchscreen. Features are generous and include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 USB ports, and voice command. Navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio, and in-car Wi-Fi are included in various option packages, as is a more powerful Bang & Olufsen audio system with 19 speakers. A cool digital gauge display that Audi calls Virtual Cockpit is optional, and we highly recommend it. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.